Okay, let's have a quick look at HomeLink 1.12 called Frames and Arrows. And I think you know what these are and how these work, but let's just go over real quick. Every time you move on the arrow, you have a rule for a pattern. And this rule here is given, it's plus 3 cents. So for any arrow, it would be plus 3. So 12 plus 3, think about it, that would give you 15 cents. And 3 more would give you, I think you can figure it out. And just make sure this sticks with your pattern, and you can finish that one. And the next one is minus, so minus 100. So you're going to go 1,000 minus 100 is what? The next one's done for you, and just continue out, and you'll see the pattern when you're doing these. Now, the third one here, there's no rule given over here. So we need to figure out the rule on our own. And here we have 42, and here we have 48. So the number's getting bigger, and it can't be a multiplication, because times 2 would be a lot more than 48. So it must be addition. So think 48 plus what? 42 plus what gives you 48, and that's going to be your rule to finish the rest. And going backwards, it would just be the opposite. So for example, up here, 15 minus 3 gives you 12. So to go this way, you just do the opposite. Going this way would be plus 100 instead of minus 100. And that's the frames and arrows part of this HomeLink. Now the second part of this is money. And I think if you're American and you're familiar with dollars and American coins, this is going to be pretty simple for you. But our school is actually in Tokyo, so this might be new for some of us. But let's go ahead and learn it anyways. It's a good way to learn about decimal points and how they work. So let's start by going over dollars and cents notation here. And what does this mean? If you have some cents, which are very similar to yen in value, Japanese yen and cents are close in value, you write it like this. This is 63 cents. To write that in what's called dollars and cents notation, you draw the dollar symbol, and this is where the dollars would be, the hundreds place in cents. So we actually had no dollars, so we have $0, and then you put a decimal point, and the 63 cents goes there. So this is how you write 63 cents in dollars and cents notation. Let's look at a couple more examples. If you have more than 100 cents or 100 cents, like let's say 126 cents, the hundreds place becomes your dollars, so draw your dollar sign, and the 100 becomes $1, $1.26, like so. A tricky one might be 5 cents, because you still need to have a 0 in this place. We draw the cent sign first. So over here, I draw the dollar sign, and we have, and you can have 1 slash or 2 slashes, but we have $0 and 5 cents. And if you had 4 digits for your cents, and you would almost never see your cents written like this, but if you did have that in dollars and cents notation, you'd have $23.81. This is a cents, not a 4. Okay. So this is dollars and cents notation and how that works. Now, the American money, again, if you're American, this is probably easy, but this $1 is 100 cents, or $1. And that's the way it would look. And this is a quarter, and this would be equal to 25 cents. And there you can see that written two ways. And the dime is 10, a nickel is 5, and a penny is 1. And based on what we just learned, try to imagine how you'd write those in dollars and cents notation. Just like this. So quarter, 25, dime, 10, nickel, 5, penny, 1. So now here, we need to add these up. So we have $1, we can leave that there. 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 5 more, 40, 45, 46. So you have $1.46 to add up here. Do the same thing for this one. But think about what order you're doing this in. You may want to do a quarter and a quarter. 25 plus 25 is 50, and then do your dimes, and then finally nickel and penny. And down here, you have dollars and you have on one side and cents on another side. Finally, number 7, you're going to show 89 cents in at least 2 different ways. So I'm going to show you another example. I'll choose just another number. Let's say I'll do 63 in 2 different ways. So let me draw a line there. Just a quick tip, when you're drawing coins, write the, oh, hold on. Okay, this is better. Write the letter first and then circle it. Don't draw the circle first because then it gets cramped and you can't read the letter. So I'm going to have a quarter, and a quarter will give me 50 cents. Then a dime would give me 60 cents, and then 3 more pennies would give me 63. If I were to do it again, about a quarter, and quarter is 50. And now, how about a nickel? And a nickel gives me 60. 5 and 5, 10 more. And then again, I still need 3 pennies to get to 63. So do the same thing, but instead of 63, you're going to go for 89 cents in at least 2 different ways, or more if you feel like a challenge. Okay, that's it. Thank you.